Hey guys, welcome back with another brand new and exciting strategy, the unlimited guide to promote CPA offers and CPA marketing, whether you're using the CPAGrip, CPALead or Maxbounty. So I'm going to share with you this amazing and exciting strategy that we can simply target one specific offer and CPA marketing, and then we can simply promote those offers to the right traffic, the right time on the right time and to the right audience right here. So I'm going to share with you step by step that how you can make money with this specific strategy. Each and everything I'm going to conclude in this method and this 6 to 7 minutes video right here. So what I want from you to watch the video to the really and to not miss any single part of the strategy, because if you miss then you will be confused and you will not fully understand that how the method is exactly working. So what I want from you to watch the video to the very end, and don't forget to hit the like button for this video as an appreciation. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification into all, because whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. Because every single day we are uploading new contents on making money online, getting passive income, working from home, CPA marketing, and affiliate marketing for absolutely free. You need to enjoy those contents by just hitting the like button and smashing the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification into all. So let's begin the strategy that how it's working. The first and important thing is that you need to sign up with CPAGrip or CPALead.com. So it depends on you which offer or what sites or which affiliate or CPA network you are preferring or it's available in your country. So basically you can simply choose that and start promoting the offers from here. But in this video, I'm going to share with you the CPAGrip.com. We can simply sign up or register right here, and then we can simply log into our account. So I have already logged into my account right here in CPAGrip. So you can also just log in into that. So make sure that you sorted the country by all country and the category all categories, because we are going to show you one specific offer that we can simply promote right here. So we can simply scroll down right here and we can simply see here different offers available that we can simply promote right here. So basically we will just promote this one, get the best games now right here. So we can simply click on that. So the beauty of this product or this offer is right here that we can simply submit a simple phone number right here. The people can simply submit their phone number and then they can simply click here and they can watch the video games right here for absolutely free without purchasing the app or something like that. So they can simply go with that. So whenever they do that, so we are earning something like $5.47 right here. So basically this is a free app that they can simply enter the mobile number and start downloading the app or the game, and then they can just playing the game and we are earning money from them right here. So many people are interested in video games and many people want the free video games. So this is the method and strategy that we can simply use and make money from that. So here is the affiliate link if you want to change the domain. So you can simply change to anyone like OPL downloads or something like that. You can simply give and then you can simply copy the link from here. So once you copy the link from here, then you can just use something a free landing page like Linktree. You can add into Linktree and then you can just copy the Linktree link from here, and then you can simply go to the Pinterest.com. Pinterest is one of the coolest and exciting method and platform right here that we can simply use for absolutely free. Up to 1 billion people each single month is visiting to Pinterest.com right here, and that is worldwide method and worldwide platforms that from any country we can simply get people into this right here. So the first step is that we can simply just type right here in the Pinterest, for example, the video games. So once you just had the profile, for example, oh sorry, search the video games right here, then we can simply just press on profile section and we can simply see here the different people and different profiles right here that we can simply choose one of them which will be related to gaming right here. So we can simply choose them and we can start promoting similar to them right here. So basically I just figured out this offer and this account right here, for example the Phantom right here, which got 8,000 followers only, but they got monthly views like 621,000 monthly views, which means that they are trending and these types of contents are trending and many people are making money from that right here. So in somehow they are using the bigger game actually, and they something like games from the movies or something like that they also use, and sometimes they are also uploading something about the games and also the movies, something like that, as you can see here. Okay, so they're uploading different content. So the first tip is that we can simply create similar account like this one right here, use the same logo or something like that, use the name like fandom one, fandom top, for example, fandom best, something like that you can simply use. And then you can use your link to link and the website section, which will be available right here and shown to everybody. And then you can simply use a small, for example, uh a small bio you can simply mention and tell the people that latest news and movies, TV, and video games or something like that. And then after that, you can simply see here their contents. So for their contents, what you need to do, you can simply just snap these, for example, that you can means take screenshot or something like that from them, means download them and re-upload to your account right here. So that is the best and easy way. Okay, so in that way that will be something like your own content, and that will not make you issue about copyright issue or something like that if you just snap or something like that. But if you just download them and re-upload, so there might be copyright issue or something like that. So if you just snapping tools are available in your PC and laptop, but still if you don't have in your PC or laptop, you can have a Chrome extension available. So you can simply type in the Chrome, for example, a snapping tools extension, and that will be available. A lot of snapping tools are available. So I'm using, for example, the light one as the light extension is that, which is this one right here. I can simply just, for example, anything that I am something like, for example, anything that I want to copy that or screen that, so I can simply click on that, and then I can give us, they are giving me the option to save anywhere I want, for example. Then I can simply click on the save, and I can save to my PC or laptop or something like that right here, and that will be saved and downloaded right here. Okay, so once I do that, the next step will be that, for example, that I can re-upload contents to my page right here. So once I uploaded that, then I can go to the follower section right here. So once I go to the follower section, then I can simply follow these people right here, for example. Okay, so once I follow these guys right here, the next step will be that they can also see the notification, and they can also find me and click on my profile. So once they click on my profile right here, for example, they can watch similar contents because they are already interested with these types of contents. So they can also follow me whenever I upload more contents, so they can watch and give me engagement, likes, and other things right here. And they can also visit to my bio, and then they can take action on that. Once you we are done with that, so this is a consistent business, you need to work on that continuously. At the backside you can see a result from that. So then I can simply just click on the followers right here, for example, on their followers. And then I can simply, for example, this is the one I am interested with, that I can simply just open in a new tab right here. So once I click on the new tab right here, that will pop up their accounts right here. So when they show me their accounts right here, for example, they will also, beside of following him, so they can also give me the option for message right here. So we can also send them the message that, hey guys, I thought I have seen you that you are interested with video games. So in my account, I'm also using video games. For further more details and information and want to free gaming, something like that, so check out link in my bio. Do not put your link right here in the message section, for example. Do not put it right here. Just give a notification or recommendation. You can simply just give them, and you can tell them, for example, that we want you to just come and watch my profile and also watch link in the bio, something like that. So whenever they see the notification or the message, so they can simply go to your bio. So by that way you can create your account, for example, and consistently upload your accounts right here. Many people from the Pinterest will also follow you, and the people that you are targeting right here, so they will also follow you. And make sure that you put your link in the bio, so many people they will be interested in watching that and to taking action on your bio right here. And they, because everybody in the world needs video games and they are interested with that and they like that, So of course, if they want, they have for free, so they can enjoy and they can just go and with that right there. Okay, so this is the best method, but the only requirement is that take action on the method, be consistent, and you can make a huge amount of money. In this method, you just need to put your 10 minutes or 5 minutes work in a day, so you are good to go with that. So make sure that you do not make spam, something like that, that you consistently, for example, you follow people something like 100 and 200 people in one time. No, it is spamming. Your account will be restricted. So make sure that you just follow up to 30 people, and between 2 to 3 hours or 5 hours, up to 30 people, you can follow them, and then wait for 2 3 hours, and then again follow 30 people or 25 people, and then wait again for 3 to 4 hours. So by that way, you can build your audience, and you can make money from your audience, and you can change those audience into your real customers, so they can simply just follow your bio and they can just sign up for that. And once you build your account right here, the next step would be that the final step, you grow your account. Next time you can also just snap the post or the pin, and then just add a bio into that, for example, or call to action button, for example, that link in the bio or something like that. So then in that way you can make a huge amount of money from that. So hope you like the method and you are interested with that, and you take action on the method and be consistent, and you can make a huge amount of money from this method and this strategy, because these types of contents already trending and a lot of people are interested with that. So that's why I recommend you to do it like this right here. Okay, so if you don't want to just put your time into that, you are so lazy and you cannot do that, and you want a specific Atupalo method right here, so I just recommend you this genius app and genius software right here, that I will put you the link in the description of this video, that by just copying affiliate link or CPA marketing link, and you are putting into this method or this software, and that will move you by one click into 400 different free traffic sources and a two payload right here. So you can earn each individual hour $24.77 77 cents without any time and without any issue right here. So you can check out all the bonuses, tips, tricks, strategies, bonuses right here on this page right here. And that is the greatest website that we have never seen before, and you can make a huge amount of money from that right here. So what I want from you is to just check out the first link in the description of this video, and you will be visited this page, and keep and watching and carefully read each and every single thing right here on this page whenever you are interested with that. So you can just click on the purchase or something like that, because the great part is here that it is only one time $17 only purchase right here, that you can simply purchase for one time, and then you can put unlimited link into that, and then you are good to go and make money from that. So hope you like the method and you are interested with that, and you like this 400 free traffic method and software, which will be the first link and the first link that in the description of this video, and you will be good to go with that. So don't forget to hit the like button for this video as an appreciation. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification, and to all, whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So till next great video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.